so many rocks.
Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day, and we are in sunny Newton, Massachusetts, and we're starting a brand new backyard ecosystem pond. This is a project that we have been waiting anxiously to start. It's been on the books for quite a bit, and we're finally breaking ground. It's going to be a 10 by 20 ecosystem pond. This family has 2 little kids, this beautiful home, this great backyard space, and we're about to bring it to life with this pond. So right now we've got Sean and Dom. They are working on digging the trench for the electrical. That outlet is going to get moved by an electrician over to this area right here, because on this end of the pond we're going to have our skimmer with the pump. It only makes sense to have the electricity right next to the pump, because that's what has to get plugged in. Guys, make sure you stay tuned to this video. As soon as these boys are out of the way, we got this trench dug, I'm going to go over the layout of the pond with you guys, explain how this is going to look, and then we're going to get to work digging. Our goal for today is to get this totally excavated, get our skimmer, our biological waterfall filter, our plumbing, and the liner all in place. So tomorrow we can start rocking. All right, so we've got our first shelf mostly excavated. The soil here is super bony. By bony, I mean it's full of all sorts of junk. This is definitely some construction backfill, so there's bricks and trash and sharp rocks and glass and all sorts of stuff. But the soil itself is very powdery. So as we're going down, we're using the plate compactor to kind of firm things up before we dig our next shelf. This is the first shelf. We'll probably have 1 more, maybe 2. We'll feel it out as we're excavating. We'll see what the soil does. But this is the basic footprint of the pond. It's a 10 by 20. The end that Sixto is compacting right now is where the skimmer is going to go, and where Mason's cleaning up on the left, that's where our biological waterfall filter is going to go. We've got the trench excavated for the electrician, who should be here either tomorrow or Wednesday. And we're well underway. Our goal is to have this fully dug out and shaped before the rains come, so we can get our protective underliner in there to just keep it safe from the weather. But we're making progress. Our trusty excavator is down. She's at the shop getting fixed up, so we've got this rental. Look at this wicked cool bucket they sent us. You can fill up exactly 1.5 sandcastle buckets at a time with this. All right, guys, so the rain is picking up. We started digging down that deep section, but we're gonna have to pack it up so we don't get washed out. So make sure you guys come back tomorrow when the sun is shining once again. We'll have more to show you.